Hi, I'm Kyla, and I'm here to answer some questions you have about your driving tickets.
Situations like this are very complicated, because if you're going to go to court by yourself and attempt to cross-examine the officer on their observations, you may run into a situation where you amount to giving evidence in the course of your questions. If you were using your phone, but you thought the officer just couldn't see it, there will be a big question raised by how you're asking your questions without you testifying. And if you testify to talk about what the officer could see, then you potentially expose yourself to cross-examination on whether or not you were using your phone, which you would be required to answer honestly, and then ultimately give the evidence that leads to your conviction. This is one of the many reasons why it's useful to have a lawyer assist you in traffic court. A lawyer knows how to craft questions that can elicit information from the officer about their vantage point and the amount of information that they could see. You should also bear in mind that sometimes when you see the police officer that's issuing you the ticket, what you didn't see is another police officer or somebody making observations for the police somewhere further down the road that saw you from a better vantage point. Police commonly set up in two-man operations to look for evidence of distracted driving, with one officer making observations and radioing ahead to another officer who stops the vehicles. This is done so that people don't observe officers giving tickets, so that they can stop more people who are distracted driving.